Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Renu and Ganesh.
So in this video we will be showing you
Royal Garden Vrindavan Resort and Spa, which is in Mysuru.
we'll be showing you complete details about this place.
So make sure you watch the video till
Till
the
the
end.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So yeah guys, in this video we'll be showing you Vrindavan Garden Resort, which is located in Mysore. Vrindavan Gardens is just a few minutes away from the resort, making this one of the best budget-friendly stays around Mysore. The resort is also close to some popular attractions like Vrindavan Gardens, KRS Dam, Sri Venugopala Swami Temple, Ranganatittu Bird Sanctuary, GRS Fantasy Park, and Mysore city is around 20 kilometers from here. As soon as you enter the property, you will notice plenty of greenery and open space all around. The atmosphere here feels calm and peaceful, making it a good option for families, couples, and even corporate outings. Since it's a weekday today, the resort is relatively less crowded, which makes the place feel even more peaceful. They also have a large uncovered parking area, so parking shouldn't be a problem. They have two room options. This is a single room which comes with a king size bed. We opted for the AC family room, which comes with one king size bed and two single beds. The room was neat and clean, and it also had a TV, a small table, and a sit out area where you can relax. There's also a small cupboard for storage. They provide a kettle along with a few tea and coffee sachets. The bathroom was also neat and clean, and basic toiletries were provided. The rooms are simple rather than luxurious, but they are spacious enough for a comfortable stay. They also have another family room option that comes with two king size beds. One of the biggest attractions here is definitely the swimming pool. It's a great place to relax and unwind after a long day of sightseeing. And if you're traveling with kids, they'll definitely enjoy spending some time in the kids' pool. They also have a children's play area along with rope activities. The resort has a huge garden where you can enjoy different outdoor games and activities. Basically, the property is quite spacious and you can even plan events here, which would be a great option for larger gatherings. Overall, the resort has enough facilities for a comfortable family vacation or a relaxing weekend getaway. The resort also has an in-house restaurant. The restaurant has a limited menu. For evening snacks, we ordered coffee and french fries, which we enjoyed by the poolside. For dinner, we initially went to the restaurant, but there were quite a few mosquitoes, so we requested them to serve the dinner in our room instead. For dinner, we ordered roti, kebab, egg fried rice, parota, omelette, khichdi, and chicken masala. Overall, the food was decent and simple. Free breakfast is available only on weekends. So we booked this place by calling the resort directly, and we have mentioned all the details in the description box. The room prices usually vary depending on the season. During weekdays, you may find better deals, while weekends and holidays are generally more expensive. The room prices are usually around 3,000 to 5,000 rupees depending on the room and date. We paid around 3,500 for the family room. So yeah guys, here are the things we liked about the resort. First, the location. It's very close to Brindavan Gardens, which is definitely a big advantage. The resort is also surrounded by farms, which gives the property a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. The swimming pool was neatly maintained. The property is very spacious, giving kids plenty of room to run around and play. The staff were also friendly and helpful, making it a suitable option for families. And most importantly, it's quite budget friendly compared to many other resorts around Mysore. If your priority is to enjoy a peaceful atmosphere and get a resort-like experience without spending a fortune, then yes, this can be a good option. Considering the location, spacious property, amenities, and the price we paid, we would rate this resort 4 out of 5. This place is definitely worth considering. So yeah guys, that's all in this video.
Thank you so much for watching the video.
In case if you guys like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.
Until then,
Bye bye.